Like the history of every oppressed nation, the history of Sindh is full of stories of extreme oppression. But the worst period belonged to the era of the Arhuns and Turkhans. This period is also considered as the golden era of Sindh, in which the people of Sindh united against the enemy for the first time. The bravery of Dadan, Singhar, and Sodhar made them immortal.
तुर्खानन खां सिंध जी आज़ादी ताईं 100 सिर कुर्बान